Hi everyone, welcome and welcome back. Thank you for joining me today. If you're seeing me for the first time, my name is Twaja and I make home decor videos, something that includes refurbishing or DIYing and probably just a thrifting. If you like to watch those type of videos or if you are a person who does that on everyday basis, you will definitely like the videos that I have posted on my channel. So check out right now. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Lastly, don't forget to leave your comment because you know what? That helps me to create some new content, to get your ideas and improve my content for that. Don't forget to do that and let's jump into today's video. So today's video is about textured paste. Now I look a year back, I posted a video regarding the same topic and it seems like you guys like that a lot. At this point, I have 50,000 views on that. Very grateful and thankful for that. And today's video is also about the same type of project. In the first part of the video, I'm going to be showing you how I make my texture paste using 2 ingredients. Yes, it's almost real-time videos that I'm not going to be skipping anything and I will show you like how does it work for me. And after showing you how to make a paste, I will be showing you how to create 2-layer textured art with minimal products. Yes, that's gonna be on the second part of the video, so stay tuned to the channel. I'll be posting that very soon and let's get started. If you've seen my videos before, you probably have an idea that I use this spackling compound a lot. This is my favorite Alex Plus Spackle compound. It usually comes in 2 colors, pink and white. The pink one dries out white as well. But if you have the white one, I would highly recommend to use the white one because that actually gives you a space if you would like to use the color in your texture paste. So this is a spackling compound. You can directly use it on your project as well. It's just that when the compound is dry, you might feel that is flaky and it's coming off. So to avoid that, we are trying to make a texture paste here that will be much smoother than this consistency, and it will also hold the design and it will not turn out to be flaky when it's dry. Now the container that I'm using right now that can hold up to 1.5 cup of texture paste, in which I am using 1 cup of spackling compound and generously filling my container with that. Once I have my 1 cup of spackling compound, I'm adding white school glue. It doesn't have to be fancy one, it can be any white school glue, and I'm adding it about 1/4 cup. So my measurement for that is 1 cup of spackling compound and 1/4 cup of white school glue. Now, if you are using a different brand for spackling compound, your consistency or your proportions for the products may vary. But I'm going to be showing you a key to figure out what's the perfect stage of your texture paste when you mix 2 products. Well, when you initially mix the glue and spackling compound, it might look like this, which definitely says that it's not ready. When you add the glue and spackling compound, you have to keep stirring the paste for about 2 to 3 minutes continuously. This is me halfway there after 2-3 minutes. You may feel that paste is ready. I guess it is not. Let me tell you why. I like to keep stirring my paste because when I stir it, it incorporates the air in between. And that makes my paste so much lighter and it's so easy to use. It glides like silky smooth paste on the surface. So even though you think that your paste is ready, keep stirring it for a few more minutes so it can turn out to be lightweight and airy. I will know my paste is ready when I try to hold the paste from my knife. All the swirls that I have in my paste should hold this shape on my knife, At the same point, I should feel that my paste is smooth as well. If you can see, I'm holding the paste on my knife. It's still holding the shape of the swirls. If I hold the knife for like a couple of seconds, it will still hold the same shape. If you're making paste for the first time, you should add the spackling compound first. Try adding the glue gradually and see if you are getting the desired consistency. And that's when you know the paste is ready. On the next video, I'm going to be showing you how I use that paste, and I'm going to be showing you how to create a 2-layer textured art from the same paste. I hope you enjoyed today's video, and in the next video I'm going to be showing you how I used my textured art paste, what did I make from that, and that's also a 2-layer textured art. Yes, isn't that exciting? So yeah, if you enjoyed the video, don't forget to watch the other videos that I'm going to be posting next week, and don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, because that helps me to create new content for you. So yes, I'll see you in the next one.